Hello, this video is a part 2 third series. So please, if you didn't watch the first part, make sure you watch it in the link above. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you more example about third simplification. Plus, I'm gonna also give you some example about how to rationalize the denominator for thirds. So let's start by today's example. We need to simplify that product, square root of 15 times square root of 5. We know from last video that square root of a times square root of b is equal to square root of ab. So that means this could be written as square root of 15 times 5, which is square root of 75, which could be written as square root of 25 times 3, which is 5 square root of 3. Let's move to another example. 5 square root of 6 times 7 square root of 10. Pause the video and think about it so you can practice. So first, as we say, we can use the identity square root of a times square root of b equals square root of ab. So now we can times 5 times 7. This will give us 35. And we know from before that square root of a times square root of b is equal to square root of ab. So this it's equal to square root of 6 times 10. It will give us 35 square root of 60. Now let's simplify 60. So we need to find two numbers when one number have a square root and can become outside, and the other number still remain inside the third and cannot be simplified anymore. So we need to find two numbers inside that square root. The first number can be simplified and can be out from the square root, and the second number cannot be simplified. Those two numbers could be 35 square root of 4 times 15. So now this first number here could go outside because we know that square root of 4 is 2. So that becomes 70 square root of 15. And 15 we cannot simplify it more, because say if we make it 5 times 3, both of those numbers cannot be simplified anymore. So this is the final answer. So always keep that in mind. We need to find two numbers when one number can be simplified and the other number cannot be simplified. So say for example, if I put square root of 10 times 6, both of those numbers cannot be simplified. So that's why there are no benefit of making 60 10 times 6. So that's why we make it 4 times 15, where we know that square root of 4 it's 2. Let's now move to harder question. We need now to expand this product, square root of 15 plus 2 times the square root of 3 minus 3. So also pause the video and think about it for your practice. So now what we need to do, we need to times square root of 15 here by square root of 3 minus 3. And we need to times 2 by square root of 3 minus 3. Now we know that square root of 15 times square root of 3 is equal to square root of 45. Square root of 15 times minus 3 is equal to minus 3 square root of 15. Plus 2 square root of 3 minus 6. We know that square root of 45 could be written as square root of 9 times 5. And square root of 15 cannot be simplified anymore. And square root of 3 also the same. And minus 6 is a number. So now square root of 9 is 3. So that's why it's 3 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 15 plus 2 square root of 3 minus 6. That is the final answer. It cannot be simplified anymore. Now, what I want from is to solve that equation. Square root of 15 minus square root of 6 to the power 2. So here we need to use a minus square to the power 2. A minus b to the power 2. Use that equation to solve that. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any specific question. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoy it.